Hello to everyone. Buongiorno. So, how do you think the usage-based insurance market is big? So this playbook will show you how to enter and dominate the market. Count that only in Italy and UK there are more than 3 million yearly subscribes made in usage-based insurance. And now I have a question for you. Have some of you experienced a car crash accident? There are some people, yeah. It doesn't mean we are bad drivers, okay? The next question. Have some of you really enjoyed the claim procedure? The form fillings, yeah, time. Well, neither does the insurance companies. Why? It's time consuming and it takes additional expenses for them. Another big pain point are the frauds. So previously, people were taking broken parts from the scrapyard, swapping them in their car, and then telling, I had a crash. Today, you can just use an AI tool, which basically makes it super easy to make a fraud. And count that statistics in Italy in 2023, out of 2.5 million claims, 26% of them were exposed to the frauds. So how to solve it? We have the accurate crash data in Teltonika Telematics device, together with the crash trace. So the crash detection works using the accelerometer or the gyroscope to check the axis of the X, Y, and Z. And in case the crash is happening, we get the information. Moreover, the crash trace. So this feature brings you 15 seconds before the crash information, the crash point, and the 15 seconds of what was happening afterwards. And you will have the information of GPS location, the accelerometer, the magnitude, and the other information like speed and so on. So it allows you actually to visualize how was the crash. And it will help for the insurance company to analyze it and to understand it better. So this is one of the examples of our partner in Italy. So this is his platform, and this is how the crash was elaborated from it. Okay, so you can see it's becoming basically a digital witness. We can even call it FNOL or something like that. So all the aspects of the accidents are here. So how many impacts there were, the magnitude, the access loads, and so on. So basically, it allows to fully automate the claiming procedure for everyone. And this also allows to identify the frauds, okay? So how the solution works? Basically, you will need to make a comparison of the information made on the platform side with the claim from the customer. And 90% of the brokers actually telling that telematic used solution in the insurance allows them to fight against the suspicious claims, which allows to get reduction of the 36% in the claim costs. And you can say, okay, it's percentage. What are the numbers? So the numbers are our opportunities. 13 billion euros are spent for the insurance companies in Europe just to the frauds. Now, we are not just telling our device gets the crash. We test it. You can see this is the JADA laboratory robot, which is made by one of the leading Italian insurance company, and it simulates the crashes. And we also test it. So our devices that are being tested there, they are also able to get the information of the crash even when the ignition is off, with the different press holds applied to the device. And each device, when it's been tested, it runs 11 different events of the crash. So how many of them do you think we were able to capture? 8 maybe? 9? No guesses? 11. 11 out of 11. We captured every single event of the crash. So it's not end. The next big thing for the insurance company that can be provided by you is the eco score, or the driving score, we can call it. So it helps to encourage the drivers for the safer driving. They know what they are doing, they are getting the response. Moreover, it allows them to save on the fuel, to lower the emissions, and to know what is the car wear. From other hand, the insurance company can identify who are those bad drivers. And it's not only about the insurance. In general, this solution allows to save lives. It prevents crashes. So knowing how you drive, actually, the people who are using it, it allows to lower the crashes themselves in average from 20 to 43%. And thus leads to the 17% reduction of the claims to the insurance company. And saving lives. So 5.5% of body injuries are lowered among the most harsh driving clients. And you can say, okay, Alex, what's it all about? It's not only about the device, your platform. Of course, it's about money. So custom pricing example, this is from our experience in Italy market insurance. So let's take a group of 1,000 customers. By the statistics, 20% of them are very harsh driving customers, those who create the most claims on the field. Then we have 300 of just harsh driving and 500 of safe driving clients. If any of them today will come to the insurance company, the company doesn't know if you are good, if you're bad, what to do with you. They all get the same flat price. So average of Italy is 650 euros for a year. But as you can see, the payouts and the gross profit are not the same. And with the very harsh driving customers, they even experiencing losses. Now, just implementing the usage-based insurance, it allows to create this. So the safe driving customers, they are getting discounts for the safe driving. It encourages them. It also encourages for other safe drivers to come to that insurance because they will know, I'm driving good, I will get the discount. And at the same time, the additional amount of money is being applied to those who are driving harshly, and specifically to the very harsh driving customers, because insurance company, as any other business, they want to get profit, as more profit, be profitable. This solution allows them to get more money, and we together are bringing this value to them. As Antanas was speaking today, it is all about the value. One of the additional things So all this program, of course, it improves and retention of the customer because he gets the additional discounts. He can get discounts for additional insurance products, for the discount in the partner network, and it's always useful for the insurance themselves. So 20% is increasing the retention of the customer. So to sum up what I was speaking about reliable insurance telematics, so it makes the reduction of the car crashes up to 43%. The claim are reduced for 17%. It helps to prevent the frauds around 36%. And what's most important for all of us, it brings big numbers. Just to share our experience in Italy, just in recent years, we sold more than 200,000 trackers to this use case.